Hi, I'm Dave with AutoZone, and today we are talking about upgrading your headlights. When selecting headlights for your vehicle, these are some things to think about. Throw distance, or how far you can see down the road. One of the most important aspects for seeing better at night is looking ahead, being able to see twists and turns or obstacles in the road. Seeing farther gives you the chance to react more quickly in the dark. Color temperature. Some bulbs feature a warmer white, while others feature a cooler white. A cooler white will give you a greater contrast and clarity, especially on reflective surfaces, like road markings or road lines. Bulb life, or how long a bulb lasts. Here are some of the benefits of the different bulbs you can find at AutoZone. Sylvania Basics are the longest lasting bulbs on the shelf, and they'll closely match what came in your vehicle from the factory. Extra vision bulbs are rated for more down-road vision and longer throw distance. Silver Star bulbs pair more down-road vision with a cooler, whiter light color. Silver Star Ultra gives the same Silver Star white light with the farthest down-road field of vision of any Sylvania bulb. ZXE are incredibly powerful halogen bulbs that give the look and feel of an HID or LED system with no conversion kit and no worries about the bulbs being street legal. HID bulbs are designed to last with more light and less energy compared to halogen bulbs. They're meant for HID-equipped vehicles only and are not to be used as a replacement for halogen bulbs. Sylvania LED bulbs offer 6,000-degree Kelvin cool white light for superior down-road clarity. They are a compact replacement for halogen bulbs with no polarity and easy to install. The bulbs you find at AutoZone fit more than 90% of the vehicles on the road, giving you great options for safety and style. Just remember to replace both bulbs so you have even lighting on the road. And for more information, be sure to like and subscribe.